If you're anything like me, you appreciate a good cup of coffee. But have you ever stopped to think how you get your coffee might say a lot about how you approach technology projects like analytics and AI? I'm Peter Hayden, and I help organizations just like you make confident decisions when investing in data, analytics, and AI. And today, I wanted to walk you through a simple analogy that can help you clarify your options when it comes to engaging expertise. Let's get into it. So let's start with the coffee. You've got three common paths. Make it yourself, invest in gear and learn to brew like a pro, or head to your local cafe and have an expert make it for you. Sound familiar? Let's take the DIY approach. Do-it-yourself type projects. You boil some water, scoop in some instant, maybe even use a pod machine. It's basic, budget-friendly, and gets the job done, most of the time. That's like managing an analytics or AI initiative in-house with minimal tools and general skills. You might get a quick result, but quality, scalability, and strategic value, that could be another story. Then you go the home barista, where you've got skill plus tool investment. As your taste evolves, you might buy a grinder, a proper machine, take a barista course. You're investing time and money to improve results. This is like upgrading your tech stack, working with a solution architect, or even bringing in a consultant to set things up properly. Then you have the cafe, an outsourced expertise. That's where you let the experts handle it for you. You're paying for skill, consistency, and speed. That's your managed service provider or external specialist. Great when time is short, when you want the assurance the job's done right the first time. Of course, even the best machine or barista can't help you if your beans are no good. In the tech world, that's your data. Poor quality data, you'll never get a smooth result. Whether you're doing it yourself or engaging help, clean, well-prepared inputs matter. So next time you're sipping coffee, think about your next analytics or AI initiative. Do you have the tools and skills to do it justice? Would expert guidance elevate the outcome? And are you ready with the right ingredients, your data, to deliver value? Because like great coffee, great outcomes come from the right ingredients, tools, and expertise. If this analogy helped clarify your thinking around how to approach your next AI or analytics project, give this video a like and subscribe for more business-focused content just like this. And if you have a coffee-related project moment, share in the comments. I'd love to hear about it.